Get ready for a whirlwind tour of the hottest tech news. First up, Arkansas is getting a massive Google data center that's set to redefine economic development. Then, we dive deep into the chaos of Google's AI, mode failing spectacularly at gaming laptop recommendations. Next, Penske Media is taking Google to court over AI summaries, threatening digital publishing. And finally, a surprising new policy for Google software engineers has everyone talking. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Subscribe and hit that bell. Arkansas is buzzing as Google confirms plans for a colossal multi-billion-dollar data center in West Memphis, marking the largest private investment in the state's history. This project, spearheaded by Google's regional head Laurel Brown and Entergy Arkansas CEO Laura Landro, will span over 1,100 acres and promises to deliver immense computing power for cloud services, networking, and data storage, directly competing with industry giants like Amazon Web Services and Microsoft Azure. Entergy Arkansas is partnering with Google to power this behemoth, leveraging a new solar generation facility and battery storage to meet its significant energy demands, a move that state officials believe will stimulate economic growth across Arkansas. The Arkansas Public Service Commission is expected to rule on a special power rate for the center by year's end, with projections indicating a substantial benefit for Entergy's 735,000 customers. But what happens when the tech giant's own AI gets it wrong? We're about to find out. Could Google's AI mode be a game-changer for tech recommendations, or is it a complete disaster? One journalist put it to the test, asking for gaming laptop suggestions under $1,000 and $2,000. While the AI initially suggested some decent options in the lower price bracket, it stumbled significantly when it came to finding deals and recommending up-to-date models. Shockingly, it recommended a laptop that exceeded the budget and even pulled biased marketing information directly from a manufacturer's website, failing to differentiate between editorial expertise and sales pitches. This raises serious concerns about the reliability of AI-driven search for consumer tech advice, especially as Google explores making AI mode a default search option. The takeaway? Always cross-reference and trust expert reviews over AI suggestions for big purchases. And speaking of AI's impact on content creators, another major player is pushing back with a lawsuit. Penske Media Corporation, the powerhouse behind iconic publications like Rolling Stone, Billboard, and Variety, has filed a lawsuit against Google, accusing the tech giant of illegally leveraging publishers' content for its AI Overviews feature. CEO Jay Penske argues that Google's AI summaries undermine the traditional access for traffic model of the internet, where publishers benefit from website visits driven by search engine indexing. The lawsuit claims that by providing answers directly in search results, Google's AI overviews significantly reduce the need for users to click through to publisher sites, leading to substantial declines in referral traffic and revenue for PMC. Google, however, defends its AI overviews, stating they make search more helpful and drive traffic to a wider variety of sites, vowing to contest the claims. This legal battle highlights the growing tension between content creators and AI developers over intellectual property and the future of digital media revenue. Meanwhile, internal policies at Google are raising eyebrows among its own engineers. A new internal policy at Google is causing a stir among its software engineers, requiring them to seek explicit permission before discussing certain projects or sharing information externally. This move comes amidst broader industry trends and increased scrutiny on tech companies regarding data privacy and intellectual property. While the exact scope and reasons behind the policy haven't been fully detailed, it suggests a heightened emphasis on control and security within Google's development processes. The implications for collaboration, innovation, and employee autonomy are already being debated within the tech community, signaling a potentially significant shift in how Google manages its internal communications and external disclosures. That's all the breaking news for now, but we've got a rapid-fire recap coming right up. All right, that's a wrap on today's Google Trends Hub. We saw Google's massive new data center in Arkansas, a wild failure in Google's AI gaming laptop recommendations, Penske Media suing Google over AI summaries, and a new permission policy for Google engineers. Don't miss out on future updates. Like this video, subscribe to Google Trends Hub, hit that notification bell, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and follow us on all social platforms for more. We'll see you next time.